Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions it needs. Okay. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so the capture mode. We do not have the timer right here in this highlighted bar at the top, so we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And here, let's localize the option we need, so the countdown duration. This is the name of the timer in this device. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different options: off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so we can go back to the camera and then tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, and basically it will work the same with the 3 seconds delay. You can also always turn off this option. Just go to the settings again, tap on the countdown duration and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.